Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this. Okay, so in this Instagram tutorial we're gonna learn how to make your Instagram private in 2019. Alright, so make sure you're up to date with this tutorial. So go to Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram and click on Update, and after that just click on Open. Okay, so now go to the bottom right corner, click on your profile image, and go to the top right corner, click on these three lines, and go all the way down to Settings. Go to Privacy, and go to Account Privacy. Okay, so Private Account. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. You can click on Learn More if you want to read more about this. But if you want to make your Instagram account private and you're not a business, you can just click on this one. And as you can see, my account is a business. So first I need to switch back to a personal account. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back one more time. I'm gonna go to Account. And down here you see Switch to Personal Account. I'm gonna click on that. So switch back to personal account. If you switch back to a personal account, content and insights from your promotion will be lost. You also won't be able to access insights for current and future posts and stories. You can switch back to a business account anytime. So I'm gonna click on Switch Back. Okay, so now I'm switched to a personal account. Let's go back to Privacy, go to Account Privacy, and now we can check this one, Private Account. Change to Private Account. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos, videos and stories on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. So if you want to do this, just click on OK, like that. So this is how you can make your Instagram private for a personal account, and also you can switch back from a business to a personal account, so you also can make your Instagram private. Okay, so I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here, and also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.